Fashion 360 Learning online courses review. Watch before using. 360 Learning offers a collaborative online learning platform designed for businesses and teams seeking to enhance their skills with a unique, social approach to education. The platform provides a variety of customizable courses, catering to industries ranging from marketing to IT, leadership, and personal development. The standout feature of 360 Learning is its focus on collaboration, allowing learners to not only consume content, but also engage with peers and instructors in discussions and knowledge-sharing activities. This makes it an ideal tool for companies looking to foster a culture of continuous learning, innovation, and teamwork. The platform is equipped with a wide array of features, such as interactive content creation tools, real-time feedback, and automated progress tracking. This ensures that both learners and administrators can stay on top of their educational journey and objectives. One of its most notable features is its social learning environment, where employees can participate in group discussions, share insights, and ask questions, making the learning process much more engaging. 360 Learning also supports various learning formats, including video lessons, quizzes, and live webinars, so learners can choose the method that best fits their learning style. 360 Learning is primarily designed for businesses, especially those in need of upskilling their workforce or training new hires efficiently. Its adaptability makes it particularly valuable for companies with diverse teams, as it allows tailored learning paths suited to each individual's role and experience. Moreover, its intuitive interface and easy integration with other tools like Slack and Google Workspace enhance its overall user experience, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those who may not be familiar with more complex learning management systems. However, it's important to note that 360 Learning may not be the best fit for individual learners looking for a broad variety of self-paced courses. The platform's strength lies in its tailored solutions for organizations, which means it may not have the same depth of general content as other platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Additionally, while the social learning aspect is highly beneficial for teams, it might not appeal to those who prefer a more traditional, independent learning approach. In conclusion, 360 Learning excels in providing a collaborative, customizable learning experience for businesses seeking to train and upskill their teams. If you're a company looking to improve employee engagement and knowledge sharing, this platform is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to assess whether its focus on group learning fits the needs of your organization.